In the increasingly complex world of project management, choosing the right tool is paramount. It can mean the difference between a project soaring to success or faltering under the weight of disorganization. Among the myriad options available, Smartsheet often emerges as a contender, particularly for teams that are accustomed to the flexibility of spreadsheets but need more robust project management capabilities. So, the question is Smartsheet a good project management tool? As a project management expert, I've seen a wide array of tools in action, and Smartsheet certainly holds its own, especially for specific types of teams and projects. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but it excels in areas where other tools might fall short. Smartsheet's core strength: the spreadsheet on steroids. At its heart, Smartsheet leverages the familiar grid-based interface of a spreadsheet, but it supercharges it with features essential for project management. This is its biggest selling point for many users. If your team is used to managing tasks in Excel or Google Sheets, the transition to Smartsheet can feel incredibly intuitive. You get the flexibility of rows and columns, but with added layers of functionality that transform it into a dynamic work management platform. Key features that make Smartsheet a strong contender: multiple views. While it starts as a grid, Smartsheet offers various ways to visualize your project data. You can switch to a Gantt chart view to see timelines, dependencies, and critical paths, a card view, Kanban style, for agile workflows and task progress, or a calendar view for date-driven tasks. This versatility allows different team members to interact with project data in a way that best suits their preferences and roles. Customization and flexibility. This is where Smartsheet truly shines. You can customize columns, add various data types, text, numbers, dates, drop-downs, checkboxes, contacts, etc., and create custom fields to capture any specific information relevant to your project. This high degree of flexibility means you can tailor Smartsheet to fit virtually any project methodology or process, from traditional waterfall to agile, or even a hybrid approach. It's a blank canvas that you mold to your project's unique requirements. Automation capabilities. To reduce manual effort and improve efficiency, Smartsheet offers robust automation. You can set up rules to automatically send alerts and notifications when task statuses change or deadlines approach. Request updates from team members on specific tasks. Assign tasks based on predefined conditions. Move rows, tasks, between sheets or change their status. Trigger approval workflows for documents or key milestones. This automation significantly streamlines repetitive administrative tasks, allowing project managers and teams to focus on higher-value work. Collaboration features. Smartsheet facilitates real-time collaboration. Team members can add comments and discussions directly to rows, tasks, attach files, documents, images, videos to specific tasks or sheets, share sheets, reports, and dashboards with internal and external stakeholders with granular permission controls. Use update requests to gather information from team members or clients without them needing full access to the sheet. This centralizes communication and document management, reducing the reliance on scattered emails and ensuring everyone has access to the latest information. Reporting and dashboards. Smartsheet's reporting capabilities are powerful. You can pull data from multiple sheets into consolidated reports, giving you a high-level overview of project portfolios, resource utilization, budget status, and more. Customizable dashboards allow you to visualize key metrics with widgets, providing real-time insights into project health and progress. This is invaluable for stakeholders who need quick, digestible summaries. Integration ecosystem. Smartsheet integrates with many popular business tools, including Microsoft Office, Teams, Outlook, Excel, Google Workspace, Slack, Jira, Salesforce, and DocuSign, among others. These integrations help connect your project management data with other critical business functions, reducing data silos and improving overall workflow efficiency. Where Smartsheet excels and who it's best for. Teams transitioning from spreadsheets. If your team is deeply ingrained in Excel or Google Sheets for project tracking, Smartsheet provides a powerful upgrade without a steep learning curve related to the fundamental layout. Highly customized workflows. For projects with unique processes that don't fit into rigid, off-the-shelf templates, Smartsheet's flexibility is a huge asset. Enterprise-level project and portfolio management, PPM Smartsheet offers features like Control Center and Data Shuttle, which are designed for managing large portfolios of projects, standardizing processes, and rolling up data across multiple departments or initiatives. Its robust security and compliance features also make it suitable for larger organizations. Cross-functional teams. Its collaborative features and ability to integrate with diverse tools make it effective for teams that span different departments or involve external stakeholders. Projects requiring strong reporting and visibility. The ability to create detailed reports and visually rich dashboards makes it excellent for communicating progress and insights to stakeholders at all levels. Potential considerations. While Smartsheet is a good tool, it's not without its nuances. Initial setup. While flexible, setting up complex workflows from scratch can require a good understanding of its features and some initial effort. It's not always plug-and-play like some simpler tools. Learning curve for advanced features. While the basic grid is intuitive, mastering automations, complex formulas, though they are robust, and intricate dashboards takes time and practice. Cost. For smaller teams or those with very basic needs, Smartsheet can be more expensive than some entry-level project management tools. This true power often comes with higher-tier plans. Real-time updates. While collaboration is strong, some users note that real-time updates may require manual refresh compared to some other cloud-native tools that update instantly. Native time tracking/invoicing. Smartsheet doesn't always have native, robust time tracking or invoicing features out of the box in the same way dedicated accounting or time management tools do, often requiring integrations or external solutions for these specific needs. The verdict. So, is Smartsheet a good project management tool? Absolutely yes, for the right context. It is an exceptionally powerful and adaptable platform that can handle a wide range of project management needs, from simple task tracking to complex portfolio management. Its spreadsheet-like interface makes it accessible, while its advanced features like automation, reporting, and customization provide the depth required for sophisticated project execution. For project managers looking for a highly customizable tool that can adapt to their unique processes, provide robust reporting, and scale with their organization's needs, Smartsheet is an excellent choice. It empowers teams to work in a structured yet flexible environment, turning raw project data into actionable insights and fostering efficient collaboration. However, like any powerful tool, it requires a willingness to invest in its setup and learn its deeper capabilities to unlock its full potential.